Hey everyone, want to see all the posts you've liked on Facebook? Let me show you how to find them. All right, so first, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll land on your home page with all the posts. Look at the right corner and tap the menu icon, those three horizontal lines. This opens up your main Facebook menu. Now, look for the gear icon at the top. That's your settings. Tap on that to open your settings page. Scroll down until you see a section called Your Activity. In that section, you'll see Activity Log, and tap on that. Okay, now you're in your Activity Log, where Facebook tracks everything you do. Look for Your Facebook Activity and tap to expand it. You'll see a bunch of options here. Find Manage Comments and Reactions, and tap on that. This is where all your likes and reactions are stored. And boom, there's your entire history of posts you've liked and reacted to. You can scroll through this whole list to see everything you've ever liked on Facebook. It's organized by date, so the most recent likes are at the top. Just keep scrolling down to see older stuff. If you want to unlike something, just tap on the post and you can remove your like right from there. And that's it. Super easy way to see all your Facebook likes in one place. Great for finding that post you liked a while back but can't remember where it was.